of Cebu City,
Cebu City,
having been elected
having been elected
to the position of Mayor, City of Cebu,
to the position of Mayor, City of Cebu,
hereby solemnly swear
hereby solemnly swear
that I will faithfully discharge,
that I will faithfully discharge,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
the duties of my present
the
position,
duties of my present position,
and of all others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines.
and all others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines,
That I will bear true faith
that I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the same.
and allegiance to the same,
That I will obey the laws,
that I will obey the laws,
legal orders,
legal orders,
and decrees
and decrees
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the
promulgated by the
Philippines.
duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines,
That I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily,
upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation,
or purpose of
for
evasion.
purpose of evasion,
So help me God.
so help me God.
Congratulations.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We have Cebu City Mayor-elect Nestor Archival.